Hey, what's up guys? This is Right for the Stores, founder and CEO of Self Cut System. Now with a successful year of selling in Walmart stores nationwide under our belt, we are proud to announce the launch of our newest product called Barbershop In A Box. It's the first ever all-in-one self-hair cutting kit. It has everything you will ever need to cut and style your own hair. Barbershop In A Box is now available in Sam's Club stores nationwide. We are honored to be partnering out with a retailer like Sam's Club to bring you the best products at the best price, just in time for the holidays. So let's go inside and check it out.